Hey guys, we're going to be looking at Infinite's 2017 season greeting. I really do love this box, kind of like this matte to glossy, kind of like square spelling infinite. I think it's pretty cool. I haven't gotten an Infinite seasons greeting before, so I'm not really sure what to expect, but it is like this standard size that a lot of the season greetings that I've gotten is. Let's pop this open. So we'll have our calendar at the top. Let's just open this real fast. Oh, there's more stuff. I didn't know there was more stuff at the bottom. Okay. So this is just going to be your making DVD. And then, what's this? Ugh. It's still on plastic. It's really cool. This cover, it's like a mirror almost that you can pull out. So then I guess then the image would just be the cutouts of your members. So it looks like this is going to be like the diary calendar. Oh, push this out of the way. So it looks like you get some photos at the beginning. And then just empty months. And then we get a couple more images. And then back to the weekly plan of the month. Alright, same thing. And we just got some lined paper. White, just blank white pages. Ooh, well, that's really cool. And grid paper, and then one final group photo. Yep, and then you can add your personal stuff. Slide that back in. Alright, and then on the back of here, I thought this was all you were getting, but there was more hidden stuff. Okay. So let's see what we get. I'll go through the calendar in just a moment. Looks like we get almost like a little bookmark. It's uber shiny. And then you get a Standee mirror. Mine is very dirty and scratched. Oh, it's got this little plastic thing over it. Okay. I was gonna say, that's kind of sad that it comes so damaged. But there's like a little plastic thing you'll peel off. And then they give you a global calendar sticker. Put stickers on your holidays and anniversary dates. Oh, so that's nice. And then on the back, looks like it gives us what, all the holidays for the different, I guess, countries. And then we have it all signed. And just photo. Okay. Calendar. I'm just gonna flip it one way and then flip it over and flip it back. But it's really cool. They have this little cutout thing with their logo at the top. Hoyas for June. Okay, we'll go back the other way. These are really, really cool looking images. All right, that is the calendar. Let's see if I can't slide all this stuff back in. Okay. I really like the images that they picked. Kind of this neon colors, black and white, and a lot of almost like effects done to the photos, since they had like them in the one image 3 times and things like that. All right. And that is everything in this box. I think it's really nice for a first Infinite season greeting. I really liked it. Thought the photos were nice. I might end up picking it as one of the 3 desk style calendars that I'll use, because I'm only going to use 3 this year. But let me know what you guys thought, and if you guys bought the Infinite 2017 season greeting down in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and until the next video. Bye guys!